In today's video, I'll teach you how to activate Simmons debit card. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply type in www.simmonsbank.com/activate. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Simmons Bank. You can also open the application if you want. If you open the application, what you have to do is go to the account section and select your card. After that, click on the option to get or activate your PIN. Also enter your card details including the CVV and expiration date. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions in order to complete the verification process. After you do that, your debit card will be activated. If you want to activate it via the phone call, in this interface, you'll be able to find this phone number. What you have to do is simply dial this phone number in order to activate your debit card. When you dial this phone number, you'll get the instructions regarding your debit card activation. What you have to do is simply follow all the instructions and set your PIN. So like this, you'll be able to activate your debit card. So that is how you activate Simmons debit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.